Welcome to Coorg. Hi, this is day one in Madikeri, Coorg. We are at the Raja's tomb. Now the Raja's name is Lingareshwara or Lingarajeshwara, something like that. Okay, so we are walking towards the Abbey Falls. And no, I'm not very selfish there. I just have the umbrella on my head. It's just, they have their own umbrellas. They just chose not to take it out. So we really didn't expect this to be so good, but it's really magnificent. Look at that.
And it's in full force. The waterfall is in absolutely full force.
So
It's amazing.
Anu was here 2 years back,
Yeah,
but this is a better time to be here.
much better.
Food, we thought we'll come to Coorg cuisine, which we had heard is apparently really good, but then it's closed. There. And no one's picking up the phone, so we might go to some other place. Oh, we finally managed to come to this lovely, quaint little place called the Rain Tree. And we are starving. I hope to get food. This is the place. It's really beautiful, especially after the rain. Okay, let's go inside. So that's the prawn ghee roast, and we've already demolished the chicken pepper fry. We're waiting for some more food. Okay, so we've got some appams, freshly made appams, and some chettinad chicken. We've got some Kerala paratha, and we finished the spicy bits. How do you like the food, Anu?
I really like it.
But I can
waiting
see
to
it was a
devour
bit
the
hot
rest
for
of
you.
it. Yeah, it is. I can't handle spicy food, but not bad.
So the best part of lunch is coffee. I think it's local coffee. How is it?
It's okay.
Is it too strong?
No, it's not.
How do you drink it? Can you show us? You have to. So do you drink? Okay, so we are at the Government Museum, Madikeri.
It's actually
And
a fort.
it's actually no, that's the fort.
Inside
So
the fort,
that's the
like
fort.
within the fort premises.
Yeah, yeah. But the fort is now used as a government office. Yeah. So we're gonna walk inside the museum, and I'll try
I don't
and
know what
show
we'll
you
see
as
there.
yeah, we'll try and show you as much as we can. So turns out that the museum is closed on Mondays. Okay, so we are walking towards a wall, yeah, but it looks pretty interesting. So we are walking nevertheless, and it's raining really hard.
And there is a hathi.
And there is a hathi.
Hathis.
Oh, okay, okay. Not Ashol Hathis, okay? Knockole Hathis.
What is
Yeah, they actually do look like bums. Bums with massive ears.
So Dubari is known for its elephant camp, a forest camp on the banks of Kaveri. It's an important base for the Karnataka Forest Department's elephants. And you might have seen the elephants in Mysore Dashera, and they were all trained at the Dubari elephant camp. Now, at present, after logging operations have ceased, the elephants have been practically retired except for giving some rides to tourists. So after visiting Nisargadhama, the deer park, we were starving and we went straight to Bailakuppe, our next destination, which is like a little piece of Tibet in Karnataka. We went to a restaurant called Rigo, which was highly recommended by loads of people. Went there and we just couldn't stop eating. The food was just out of this world. We had loads of pork, we had chili potatoes, different types of momos, noodles, etc. etc. I just can't even tell you how much we ate.
How was your food?
Super se super.
Hashtag food coma, food porn, foodgasm.
Yeah. So our food was just out of this world. It was Tibetan food, and we've had loads of things to eat, and we still paid only 620 rupees.
So after that amazing lunch, we went to visit the monastery. It's the Nandroling Monastery, or also known as the Golden Temple. Really peaceful, beautiful, pristine little place, and it's a must visit. If not for the monastery itself, just go to Bailakuppe for the food. The next day we just wanted to laze around, so we went to the Club Mahindra Resort, got a few spa treatments done. I don't have clips of it. And then finally, to end our day, we went to Raja Seat, which gives you like a lovely panoramic view of Madikeri. You can look at the blue Nilgiris and enjoy a few hours there.